Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Are you on the hunt for a reliable ride with a touch of luxury? Then buckle up because we're diving into the world of BMW, uncovering the top 10 most dependable bimmers you can find. From iconic classics to modern marvels, we'll explore models that have stood the test of time, delivering performance and reliability in equal measure. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. F30 BMW 3 Series. Kicking off our list is the F30 BMW 3 Series, a car that's as good as it gets in the realm of reliability. While it may not be renowned for bulletproof dependability, landing the right spec can make all the difference. Opting for models like the 340i or 330i with newer and more reliable engines can help steer clear of potential issues. And for our diesel-loving friends across the pond, models like the 320d offer a solid choice, though not without their own quirks. Number 9. F07 BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo. Next up, we have the F07 BMW 5 Series Gran Turismo, a hidden gem in BMW's lineup. Despite its unconventional appearance, this cheat code car excels in practicality and comfort. With fewer units sold in the US, owning one guarantees turning heads, for better or for worse. And when it comes to specs, opting for the 6-cylinder variants like the 535i ensures a smoother ride. Number 8. G30 BMW 5 Series. Moving on, we have the G30 BMW 5 Series, a true testament to BMW's commitment to reliability. Boasting an impressive score on J.D. Power's reliability scale, this executive sedan is a top pick for the budget-conscious buyer. With turbocharged powertrains across the board, models like the 530i or 540i strike the perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Number 7. F44 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. Surprise, surprise! The F44 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe makes its mark as a reliable entry-level model. Packed with power and precision, this compact sedan offers a stress-free driving experience. Whether you opt for the 228i or M225i spec, you're in for a treat, with minimal maintenance hassles and a low probability of major repairs. Number 6. G001 BMW X3. When it comes to SUVs, the G001 BMW X3 reigns supreme in the realm of reliability. Sharing its DNA with its sedan siblings, this third-generation variant offers unmatched dependability and value for money. Whether you go for the S-Drive 30i or X-Drive 30i, you're guaranteed a smooth ride with minimal hiccups along the way. Number 5. F25 BMW X3. The second-generation BMW X3, particularly post-LCI variants, earns its spot as one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. With a spacious interior and a range of engine options, including the legendary N52 inline-six, the F25 X3 delivers a comfortable and dependable ride at an affordable price point. Number 4. E39 BMW 5 Series. Stepping back in time, we encounter the legendary E39 BMW 5 Series, revered for its timeless design and unparalleled reliability. Equipped with naturally aspirated straight-six engines, this classic model stands the test of time, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. Number 3. E83 BMW X3. The first-generation E83 BMW X3 secures its place as a reliability powerhouse in BMW's lineup. With a reputation for bulletproof performance and a range of engine options, including the robust M54 unit, the E83 X3 remains a top choice for those seeking a dependable SUV. Number 2. E90 BMW 3 Series. The fifth-generation E90 BMW 3 Series strikes the perfect balance between performance and reliability. With a range of engine options, including the venerable N52 Straight-Six, this iconic model continues to impress with its dynamic capabilities and overall dependability. Number 1. E46 BMW 3 Series. Topping our list is the iconic E46 BMW 3 Series, a true testament to BMW's legacy of reliability and versatility. With a range of body styles and engine options, including the legendary M54-powered variants, the E46 remains a timeless classic beloved by enthusiasts worldwide. And there you have it, folks. From modern marvels to timeless classics, BMW continues to set the standard for reliability and excellence in the automotive world. Whether you're in the market for a practical sedan or a rugged SUV, these top 10 most reliable BMWs offer a driving experience like no other. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.